Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear children, welcome in your computer science class. So in today's class, we are going to do the question answers of chapter number 1, computer network. So take out your books and pencils and open page number 11. Today we will do the question answers. I hope you have done the exercises. Okay, let's start. The question number 1, differentiate between a server and a client. So the answer of this question is on page number 10. See the keywords. So you will write a client is a computer that requests information made available by a server, whereas a server is a computer that provides information to a client. I am repeating. A client is a computer that requests information made available by a server, whereas a server is a computer that provides information to a client. Clear? Now come to page number 11, question number 2. How is a peer-to-peer model different from a client-server model? So take out your rough copy and write down the answer. In the client-server model, there is a central computer. In the client-server model, there is a central computer called server, whereas there is no central server in a peer-to-peer network model. I am repeating. In the client-server model, there is a central computer called a server, whereas there is no central server in a peer-to-peer network model. Next point is, a client-server network can be used to connect any number of computers, so it can be used to build large networks. Comparatively, a peer-to-peer network is appropriate only for small business organizations or for home use. I am repeating. A client-server network can be used to connect any number of computers, so it can be used to build large networks. Comparatively, a peer-to-peer network is appropriate only for small business organizations or for home use. Next, question number 3. List the advantages of using network. The answer is on page number 5. On page number 5, you can see the heading Advantages of Networks. You will write all 4 points in your answer. Clear? Okay, now come to the next question, question number 4. List the disadvantages of using networks. Again, come to the same page, that is on page number 5. You can see the heading Disadvantages of Networks. So first you will write like the disadvantages of network are as follows. Then you will start writing all 4 points. Okay. Similarly, you will do with the advantages of, when you do the question number 3, you will write the advantages of networks are as follows. Then you will write the 4 points 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Write a short note on bus topology. So the answer is on page number 6 under the heading Bus Topology. Now start from the first line. In bus topology, all the network devices bracket nodes are connected to a single cable called the bus. And then you start right, and then come to the fifth line from here. Then you have to mark from here. The advantage of this network topology is that it is easy to set up, as all the devices have to be just connected to the main network cable. The disadvantage of this network is that if the main network cable breaks, the whole network breaks down. Next, question number 6. Write the disadvantage of ring topology. For the answer, come to page number 7 under the heading ring topology. Come to the third line. Mark the disadvantage of this network is that if even one device fails, the entire network breaks down. This is answer number 6. Now the next question. Differentiate between a LAN, a MAN and a WAN. So the answer is on the same page, that is on page number 7 under the heading local area network or LAN. So when you will write in your copy, first you write the heading local area network LAN, and then you will write the difference. So mark from here, a local area network is a private network that operates within a limited area such as an organization. This type of network connects computers and peripheral devices in the, then turn your page, in the same office or building. LANs are widely used in schools, universities and offices. Since LANs cover smaller areas, cables or low power radio signals are used for communication. Now you will write the next heading, that is metropolitan area network, and you will write a metropolitan area network or MAN covers a large area than a LAN. It is often used to connect a number of LANs. This type of network is used to connect computers at different offices of an organization in the same city. Then you will write the heading wide area network WAN. Then you will write a wide area network covers a very large area such as a country or continent. This type of network is used to connect computers at various cities in a country or across the world. A WAN connects computers and LANs in different cities or countries via telephone lines, satellites, and fiber optic cables. Then question number 8. Write a short note on wireless local area network. So the answer is on page number 9 under the heading some other networks, the purple heading. Under this heading you have your answer. So you will write from here, a wireless local area network uses radio signals instead of cables to connect different computers in a network. Wireless local area networks are widely used these days, especially in homes and offices. So till here you have to write. Okay, so your question answer part is finished. Now you have to do this question answer in your copy. Maintain your copy nicely, cover your copy and do all the work very neatly. Okay children, Allah Hafiz.